Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on quickly and do a quick introduction to this video because I've already started filming it, and I know if I don't do it now, you'll never have an introduction. I'll just jump straight into it in the video. I think that's a bit weird. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a how much can I crochet in 12 hours. A quick disclaimer, I cannot do it all at once. So this is going to be 12 hours over the course of a couple days or something. Like today, I've had my niece around, so I haven't managed to do too much crochet. I've done a couple of hours and I'm gonna crack on and hopefully do maybe 3 or 4 more hours. And then tomorrow, I think I'm doing nothing. So I may do the rest of the hours then. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated, show you what I'm doing, showing you what I'm making. And yeah, hopefully, I don't know if you saw it, but my previous video was a what I want to crochet in 2023. So I'm gonna try and do some of them during this video. So I'm gonna see how many things I can get done, because a few of them are smaller projects. So we're starting off with a beanie, and then we're gonna see what we can make from there. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you subscribe if you like this kind of thing, and like it if you like it, that'd be great. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, hour 1 is complete, and this is how much I've done. It's taken me a long time, but how nice. Let me flip around. How nice is this yarn? It's like got this ombre effect, and it's so pretty. I love it so much. So this is for one of my friends. It's her yarn, and she asked if I could make her a beanie. So I thought I would. So this is 1 hour down, and I'm just going to go for a walk with my family for Christmas, and then I'm going to carry on and think another couple of hours. I'm getting into the swing of it now. This bit took like 20 minutes. 20, 40, 60, I mean that makes sense to be fair. Yeah, so I'm hoping to speed through this and finish this sometime today. We'll see how many hours it takes. So I'll check back in with you guys after hour 2. There we go, that's the end of another hour, and I've finished a beanie, and I'm obsessed. It's so cute. I may have to make another one for myself if she's happy for me to do that. Yeah, I actually didn't use much yarn, which is really weird. I think the chunky ones used like 1.5 balls each, and this didn't even use a whole ball. So that's really cool. And I love the colours, it's so cute. So we'll need to sew the ends in. On to the next project, I suppose. Hour 4 complete. Started on the Shrek hat. Hour 5. Okay, hour 6 is complete and I'm halfway done. I've now made this Shrek hat. It's supposed to be a bucket hat, but it's turned out more of like a beanie, I don't know, slash just the cute little hat really. But I'm obsessed with it, I love it so much. And then I've also started making this, which is a bookmark. So I'm gonna make a few of these now. So I just need to sew in the edges of this and add some tassels. And then I've got a few more to do as well. So we're halfway through the challenge. I've made 3 things so far, I think. 2 hats and 1 bookmark, which isn't too bad. Yeah, let's see what else we can do in the last 6 hours. hour 7 complete, and I've done another bookmark. Again, just need to weave in the ends and then add the tassels, and then I'm on to another one. I also forgot to mention that I finished the tassels and weaved that in on hour 7 as well. So in hour 8, I've finished this one, tucked in, well, weaved in all the ends and added the little tassels. And I've also made this one. So I need to weave in the ends of this one and add the tassels. Okay, hour 9 is complete and I have finished this one. I've weaved in the ends and done the tassels on there. I've also made, oh, wrong way up, made another bookmark, which is a little bit rolled up at the moment, but it's with this really nice yarn that changes colour, which is really cool. I've done a little tassel at the top. And I've also started a water bottle bag, so I'm just onto that now, and I think it's going to work out quite quickly. So yeah, pretty happy with my progress. 3 things started / done in 1 hour. Okay, hour 10 is done and I've made good progress. I just need to do the top and the strap and also weave the ends in, and then I'll be on to the next project. Hour 11 complete, and I've finished my little water bottle bag. Can't even see. Ta-da! I love it so much. So cute, really helpful. And now on to the last hour. Okay, and with that, my 12-hour crochet challenge is complete, and I'm just going to show you guys what I managed to do in the 12 hours. So in the last hour, I have done this, which is the beginning of another beanie, but in my sort of greeny dinosaur colours. So that's what I managed to get done, and I'm running out of yarn, so I may have to rethink it, maybe do like a quarter of greens, quarter of like reds and oranges, quarter of blues, maybe a quarter of purples, and see how we go with that. So I'm going to continue that. But that is the last thing that I managed to do in the last hour. And then you can see everything else I've made. So I've done 4 bookmarks here. I've given one to my friend, so there was 4. A hat for my friend, a water bottle bag, a Shrek hat, and then obviously this partly done beanie. I've written everything down hour by hour, and I've tried to update you as I've done everything, because like I said, I wasn't able to do it all at once because I had other things to do and people around and everything. So I've made sure that I kept the 12 hours, but it wasn't in one sitting. It was over 3 days. But I think that's still quite good. And I've managed to do a lot more than I thought I would. So I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and maybe share it with one of your friends. Let me know what else you guys want to see, because I'm looking at creating new content come the new year, which it's probably the new year when you see this. So Okay, I will see you guys in the next video.